Alright guys, so with this, alright, so I'm going to press a withdrawal now. With this new update, I'm going to press withdraw. You can see I have 13,750 deposited 5,000 naira. Okay, so let me show you how I'm going to do the withdrawal. I'll show you what you need to do to earn this free money. Alright, so let me just click on withdrawal. I've set my bank. I'll show you how to set it up. Okay, I'll be able to withdraw 8,750. Alright, so let's see how it is. Let's see how it is. Okay, you can read this. They have 5% tax, one of the best tax so far. Alright, so withdrawal placed successfully. I've placed withdrawal successfully. Okay, guys, what am I talking about? I'm talking about this website. Okay. Alright, so what do you need to do on this website? So what do you need to do? This is multiverse mining and exploration. Okay, there's nothing much to do. Alright, so just register. How to register? Let me show you how you can just register. Very easy to register. If you want to register, it's very easy. Let me show you. Alright, so okay, this is the link. Okay, so the link will be attached to this video. Just click on the link. Click on the link. Alright, once click on the link, it will take you here. Okay, fill your mobile number. Okay, see the way you're going to fill it. Let me just use any mobile number, or let me use this one. Okay, remove the first 0. Login password, generate any password of your choice. So supply this code. You can see the code 7831. After that, you click on send. It automatically send OTP. Let's wait. If it is congested, the OTP will late. If it is not, let's see what happens. So once the OTP dropped, okay, the OTP will drop automatically. I use the count timer. Make sure that you have signed up before the time timer finish. So we sign up, register success. Okay, so don't rush. You have to feed this. Okay, you can see you have to feed this. Use any name, any email of your choice. Okay, can you see? You have to set your trade password. Don't skip it and be careful, because the last one we did, most of you make mistake of trade password that it takes a lot of time for us to generate another one. You can set a picture if you want. Click on set, but that's your withdrawal password. You can just set anything there. So make sure it is not the same login password. Can you see? A 6-digit number. Okay, so you confirm it. Trade password will be set immediately. It will log in. Once it's logged in, there's nothing much. There's nothing more. You can download the app if you wish. Join their Telegram immediately. Once you join, come and set up your withdrawal device to your card. Set up your bank, add card. Okay, select your bank. Can you see the list of banks? Select your bank, your name, the account number, confirm it. Okay, so how to deposit? Let me show you how to deposit. Just click on deposit. Click on deposit. When you are depositing, don't use OPay. I don't advise OPay. OPay will have issues. Okay, so you can see, just select the amount you want. The one I did is 5,000. Okay, any of the channel is okay. Channel 1 or channel 2, you can use any. Click on to deposit. You should know how to do this. It will generate an account number for you to make deposit. Read this thing. Okay, so can you see? Be very careful here. Okay, this is the name you are depositing. Depositing to use the bank. This is the account number. This is the amount you are depositing. This one is needed when you have issues. You can copy it somewhere. Okay, so read what is here. Blah blah. Try and read it. And when you are through, it is very compulsory that you come and click this. I have made payment. You click on it. Just copy. Look at the name. Money Point. Go to any bank you want to use. Don't use OPay. PalmPay, Money Point, any other bank, First Bank, UBA. You can use it to transfer. Okay, once you have transferred it, try and like bind it. Come back here. Just click on it. It will show. If your money did not show, you contact customer care immediately. Okay, but your money will surely show in. Can you see? You just click completed. If you have deposited money, it will reflect after like 2 minutes. Your money will reflect. Okay, so come here. Just follow me carefully. Come to invest pattern. We have two investment pattern. So we have stable welfare. Activity is not there yet. Okay, stable will be locked for 30 days. Can you see 30 days? That's 25 is the list for stable. Okay, so it will be locked for 30 days. Can you see Columbite? We have 5,000, we have 10,000. Okay, so it will be locked for 30 days. It is this stable that will open up welfare for you. Note that stable open up welfare package for you. So like that 5,000 now, this is how I will divide my 5,000. 5 year, 2,000 year. I will keep 500 now for activities. Okay, that's what I did. All right, so you can do more than that. You can do 5K year. Okay, but you have to be careful. Your stable your stable investment will determine the equivalent welfare package. Can you see welfare package? Okay, so your VIP level. Can you see this first welfare package need VIP level 1. This one you need to be on VIP level 2. I will show you how to know your rank in VIP. Okay, so you pick your 2 file. Just click on invest now. If you click on invest now, it will take you. Okay, you can select as many as possible that you want. This is one quantity. You can increase your quantity. Okay, as long as you want it. All right, so you click on invest, it will invest. Okay, when you come to welfare, anyone you want for welfare, if you want this VIP2, you have to have deposited less something like 40,000 naira. You have to have invested up to 40,000 naira for you to do this VIP2. For this one, up to 160,000 before you can do VIP3, and so on and so forth. So just select your capacity and always check for activities. Activity is very cheap and very affordable. You can earn in 2 days, in 3 days, and you can withdraw it immediately. Another thing about this plat is that it is welfare package that you can withdraw every day. If you do 2,000, I'm going to withdraw 1,300 every day for the next 3 days. If you do 14,000, I'm going to withdraw 9,800 for the next 3 days. If you do 38,000, you can see okay, that is what you are going to withdraw simultaneously. But stable will keep rotating until 30 days expire. All right. So you have tax here. You can see tax, treasure box. So join their Telegram group. They always post their treasure box 2 times or 3 times in a day. Copy it fast, and it's going to earn this. If you are slow, they will collect all the money inside. Okay, you can earn as much as 1,500 to 100,000. Okay, that is what is there. All right, you can refer. Your first referral level is 30%, second level 5%, third level 1%. And if you have up to 10 referrals, you have 10,000. If you have up to 20 referrals, okay, and so on and so forth. That is how you're going to earn on this platform. All right. So I want to show you something the other time. Okay. Now look at let me look at the VIP introduction. Okay. Can you see? Come to the VIP. Understand the VIP before you put your money. Okay, when your investment reach 25, you have open VIP 1, 25 open VIP 1 for you. That is 25 for stable, 2,000 if you like, 2,000 for welfare. So I would advise always do stable with welfare. If you need VIP 2, you have to have invested 40,000 naira. Those 40,000 naira means you have not that you just deposit, you have used that 40 naira to buy product. 40,000, sorry. To provide VIP3 160 blah and so on and so forth. That's how you gain that. All right. So study the VIP before you proceed. So after that, you have set your bank. Anytime you invest, you come to my order to check your investment. Okay, you can check your balance. You can check your reward if you have given reward. If you need customer care, go to Help Center. Can you see what any other thing you need? Just contact them. They will answer you immediately. All right. Look at this club aspect. Okay, what they used to do here is that all your withdrawal, you come here and post your withdrawal and write a caption for your withdrawal. Can you see? First withdrawal received 16. This is another withdrawal. Okay, even if you invest, can you see? Successfully invested. Okay, you can be lucky to win 1,000 naira to 20,000 naira in a day, free of charge. So that is what we do here, guys. So invest wisely. Our advice: start this early. Okay, do your stable and do your welfare package. If you do only stable, you will not withdraw every day. If you do stable and welfare package, you have chance to withdraw daily. If this has been helpful, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you can get informed Okay, you can click this also for customer care. Okay, it's related to customer.
Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the draw I placed. Okay, in 5 minutes I receive my money. Let me show you the draw. I placed draw of, is it 8750 or 85? Okay, let me show you the evidence. Money was entered. This is my withdrawal. You are free to check my balance. Check. I don't get money. Alright, this is money. As you can see, 8,000, 5% deduction. I think I will draw 750. I think they deduct something like 400 or so. So it's still okay. Alright, so guys, utilize this opportunity, make money from this update as fast as you can. This update will use more than 1 month, I can assure you that. Okay, so make sure you start early and make your money early. The link to register has been dropped. Check the pin message. I also check the description link. Can you see? For VIP1, to enter VIP2, you have to have done 40,000 something. Okay. Alright, see you next.